Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you SanDisk. In this case, the 256GB Extreme Pro USB 3.2 solid state flash drive. It's also available in 128 and 512 and 1TB capacity. Speed up to 420 megabit per second. A durable aluminum metal casing. This is the SDC Z880-256G GAM46 in black. Blazing fast performance for super speedy transfer of photos and 4K videos. It works as fast as we need it with the premium performance and huge capacities. Durable aluminum metal casing means less worry about everyday wear and tear. This helps to keep the critical files safe with the SanDisk secure access encryption software if you like, and recover accidentally deleted files with the included Rescue Pro Deluxe data recovery software. This offers us, of course, to download and subscribe for that, but we can use it. It works with a flexible thanks to the USB 2.0 and 3.0 backward compatibility. Yeah, this is the SanDisk device. It works as hard as we do that with the SanDisk Extreme Pro. We are at the scene and we can make a nice performance with that. We move huge files fast. The blazing fast performance lets us transfer a full-length 4K movie to the drive in less than 15 seconds, or 1,000 photos in less than 25 seconds. And reliable performance. It works as fast as we need it with the premium performance and the huge capacities in a portable jet touch and reliable USB flash drive. We take it with us every time. We grab and go without worries about everyday wear and tear thanks to the elegant jet durable aluminum metal casing. And it works with flexibility because convenient backward compatibility means that we can plug this versatile drive into any USB 2.0 or 3.0 port. Capacity possible 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512. Or, awesome, 1TB. The transfer speed is up to 420 megabit per second. Read, 380 megabit per second write. And the SanDisk secure access software is possible. 128-bit AES encryption. The drive, the dimensions are 0.23 to 0.62 to 1.56 inches. This is the SanDisk Extreme Pro USB drive. This is a solid state flash drive in the USB stick. This is the 3.2 USB possibility. Fast and reliable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.